What's the meaning of belongings? Belongings. Belongings.
Belongings. Belongings. Belongings refer to the items or possessions that someone owns and considers their own. These may include personal items such as clothing, jewelry, books, electronic devices, furniture, and other household items. The concept of belongings is closely tied to a sense of identity and ownership. People often identify with their belongings and may feel a sense of loss or anxiety if these items are lost or taken from them. Belongings can also have emotional significance, such as sentimental items that hold memories and sentimental value. Overall, the term belongings encompasses a wide range of personal possessions that are important to individuals in their daily lives.